jurisdiction by final judgment and there is no conviction in this case.
Basta sa akin, Karen, ang mahalaga. Ang posisyon ng gobyerno walang jurisdiction. And yet, pinayagan nila, in fact, hindi pinayagan lang. Sila mismo umaresto ng isang institusyon na sinasabi nila wala kayong jurisdiction sa amin. Ginagamit nila ang Interpol. Ang Interpol pinakiusapan lang ng ICC. Bakit susunod ka doon sa pinakiusapan ng sinasabi mong walang jurisdiction? The principle has no jurisdiction. Necessarily, if Interpol is an agent, it has no jurisdiction.
But when it comes to conducting an arrest in accordance with the red notice, which is a request to for an independent like sovereign to conduct an arrest on behalf of the Interpol, is there a process within the Philippines that should be followed? Should there be a warrant of arrest that should be issued by a court?
Right. Number one, you know this as a lawyer. Domestic laws prevail over international law and international agreement. Kasi ini-invoke nila na, hindi, may agreement tayo yan sa Interpol. You are committed. Mali kayo dyan. Kasi bago ninyo ibigay yung isang tao, even under extradition law, you have to pass through judicial process. Mag-a-apply ka sa korte. Yung warrant of arrest mo, kailangan malaman ng local court kung valid ba yan. Ano ba yan? Kailangan bigyan mo rin ng pagkakataon yung dinidemanda mo, tatanggalin mo. Hindi nila ginawa na yun, kaya nga illegal. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Pag illegal yung institution, sa akin as far as I'm concerned, illegal silang institution as far as we are concerned in this country because wala nga kayong jurisdiction So lahat ng ginagawa nyo, lahat yan ay illegal. Kahit na anong gawin pa nila, kahit itong gobyerno, illegal din ang gagawin ito pag sumunod ka sa request na yan.
So, Secretary Sal, what can we expect from this case? Are you confident that all the issues that you raise about the illegality of the arrest, of the warrant, or even the lack of jurisdiction is something that can be resolved here in the Philippines, or is there also an opportunity to raise this in The Hague?
Alam mo, tanong mo, do I have confidence? Kung ako ang justice, kung ako magdi-decide, given all the facts and the circumstances and the law, talagang dapat pabalikin mo ang presidente. Pero hindi naman tayo magdi-decide sila. So, we will leave it to them. But masyadong clear naman ho yan. Walang jurisdiction. So, pag walang jurisdiction ng isang entity, lahat ng ginawa yan dito sa ating bansa, illegal wala siya. And the government cannot justify it, cannot validate an illegal act from the very beginning. At kung may ginawa ang gobyerno ng mali, yung kung kamalian na yan, yung illegality yan, nakayakap na sa kanya kahit saan siya magpunta.